Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. Today we have this amazing app, Petit BamBou, and what I'm gonna do today is to show you how to use this crazy app. Actually, it is crazy in the sense of like how an app could be this good. So let's get started. So once you launch the app, we have this page of ours, as you can see. And let's get to it. And do not forget to let me know what you think about it. So this is a meditating app and it has making it very easy. As you can see, we're taking advantage of this free discovery program with unlimited access. We're meditating with ease and we can do it wherever we are, which that's making it way better for us. So now, as you can see from the app, no matter what you like, you might have an account or you not. Let's go with register, and we can register with Facebook, which that's what I'm going to do today. Yes, Facebook having it so easy. And let's get into it. Let's see. So we can be preloading all of them. You can enable this, and this will allows automatic downloading of the next session in your ongoing program. I will say enable because it's gonna make everything crazy easy. So let's get to this. Is this one that we have when we first open the app. This one is actually making it how can I say, this one is guided, right? So it's gonna be like this. We're gonna be guided by this. So we can first, let's start with this for more calm and serenity. This is a 13 minutes app.
Hello. Let's start. Your first meditation will last about 15 minutes, okay? Here are some tips before beginning. Where can you meditate? Sit in a quiet place where you will not be interrupted. Welcome to your first
As you can see just now, it is first of all, what it does is this. It is showing us, maybe you have heard of meditation before, but you have never done it, or maybe you don't have really any idea of how could it work, right? Or what's the best way to do it. It is giving us a guide where it tells us how can we meditate, where we can meditate, how we would be feeling in the moment. It is showing us those things in case of that we do not have any idea how it could have worked, right? So, and we after that, you of course, as you saw, you can skip it. That's what I did. I skipped it. Not because I know, but I'm pretty sure you guys would watch first. So now we have this page in front of us where we can start our meditation for more calm and serenity, and the titles are very encouraging at the same time. We can start, but let's assume that somehow we accidentally touch somewhere and we can go of we can forward the video 15 seconds or unforward it, so back forward. So that's where you can do it. But let's assume that you have done it or something came up, you just have to leave the house. And what you're gonna do, as you can see on the top right corner, there is an X and we're gonna click that, and that's how we are closing it. Let's assume that you did not enable automatic downloading. What you can do here is you can, as you can see, for example, we have this for more calm and serenity, and on top of that there's doing about a skin to calm you down your mind. And at the end of that, very like on the right column, we have this downloading icon, we can say. You can just click on that, tap on that, and it will be downloaded. So this is the meditation. Let's go to see the free ones. As you can see, we have free ones that we can actually customize, as we can for example, starting out, do we want, we can choose from here, and it's amazing. It's like, or we don't have to have any of them. So this is how it is. And we have intermediate gongs that we can choose. I really like this to be tuned. So you can customize yours, and let's put an end gong. You can put a sound while you are doing it. This is an amazing app. When I said it is crazy, this is what I meant. It is so crazy. You can do anything you actually want to. You can make your meditation from 1 minute up to 80 minutes, as you can see. You see? It's very nice. So what you have to do when let's assume that you put everything that you want to, and the next thing that you're gonna do is clicking start, and your meditation will be ready. You will start. We also have this 3 minutes that is helping us calming breathe. You can just click start here and you will have it. And under here we also have programs that we can choose, such as discovery or mind, fear and courage, authenticity. As you can see, they have their reminders. Maybe you want to remind it that they have stories. You can go down and see everything. You can also change your language. Maybe your main language is not English. And here we have the sounds. They have their relaxing sounds. Maybe you don't even want to meditate in that moment, but before sleeping, that sounds are actually helping you. You can just listen from here. And we have this me, so actually our profile, and from here you can share your profile with your friends, and you can see how many minutes of meditation you did, how many consecutive, or your best series. You can all track all of them. So on the comments, please let me know after you download with this app, or maybe you didn't download it yet but you want to, and what are the questions that comes to your mind. Please answer this question: why would you like to meditate? Like, what is in the life that we go through a lot of things, but when we start meditating, at least that was my journey. I had this very bad couple of months, and that's how I started. So what makes you want to start meditating? Maybe there is no reason at all, you just want to be calm. So write that down so we can actually share our own experiences. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to download Petit BamBou, because it's a crazy and the best meditation app I've ever seen yet. So please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in my next video.